Hi everyone, my fridge is a mess from grocery shopping the last few days, and I just wanted to get it all organized, cleaned up. I have some things out in the other refrigerator that I'd like to bring in and get in here just so this is more usable. There's some old leftovers that need to get out of here. So follow me while I clean up this fridge and get it organized today. The first thing I'm going to do is just take everything out of this snack drawer. This is normally where the kids' snacks are, and they actually do love peppers. I usually slice them up, or the oldest actually eats them like apples, but they don't need all of those in there. So let me put one in the veggie drawer. And then I'm just going to start getting all of these things out of the drawer. I'm going to put them on the countertop. Looks like the drawer is pretty yucky and needs a wipe down. So I'm going to just get everything out of my way so I can wipe it down and then start putting things in here in the manner that I'd like them.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me pressing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. With my love you won't ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love. Head over heels, I'm blinded by what I feel. My love is forever yours. You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control. Love me tender, love me sweet. With you I know that I'm complete. I'm in love with the summer's day. For you I'd give my life away. Never leave me, never let me go. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My summer love, been waiting for you, my love. My love is forever yours. Forever yours, my love is.
My kids are obsessed with yogurts, and Sabriel specifically loves these Noosa ones that you can get at Costco right now. The lemon is her favorite, but they also have strawberry rhubarb and blueberry. And so I'm just going to put all these in the drawer. With 4 kids, they go through yogurts pretty fast. So we have all of these that were out in the garage fridge that I'm bringing in. And then I even bought a few Tillamook ones while we were at the regular grocery store because they're just loving yogurt so much. And here is the final result after I got everything organized. I'm out of cream cheese and almost out of butter that goes up there. So that got added to my shopping list, but I've got some leftovers, some chicken that I'm going to make some enchilada filling with for the freezer, and the sausage is for Mother's Day brunch, and then some hamburger for spaghetti that I'm trying to make to get in the freezer, extra fruit for Mother's Day, and I didn't want the English muffins to go bad before I could make some breakfast sandwiches, so they're also in the fridge. I've got some big mushrooms because I thought that would be like a yummy lunch for me to make a burger out of. And then this is my cheese drawer, which is full of things. Lots of salad because the kids are into that. So this is where the fridge ended up. Definitely a working fridge with lots of things in it. And like I mentioned earlier, I do have a second fridge in the garage, which is kind of where those bottles of sauces that you saw in the door went, because if I don't use them every day, I don't like to have them in the house. I put them out in the garage fridge because it's easy for me to go and grab those when I actually want to use them. So that's what it ended up with. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I really appreciate everybody that's subscribed lately. I will see you in the next one. Have a great week. Bye.